And the race is on. Lola Carey from the outside is Kay Inday. Moving up by Darrell is Power of Destiny. And moving up down on the inside is entry number 2. It's Ship Perfect together with Carmelo. My Wife Knows All, while Lola Carey is now running at the tail of the field. 3 runners. It's Ship Perfect alongside Kay Inday by Darrell's Carmelo. Power of Destiny racing in fourth, running in fifth by Sam Tulengs is My Wife Knows All. Lola Carey down on the inside as they race the corner. Kay Inday, Carmelo, it's Ship Perfect, Power of Destiny, Lola Carey, My Wife Knows All on the outside six as they race the last 500. Kay Inday, Carmelo, Lola Carey, Power of Destiny, My Wife Knows All, Ship Perfect as they race the final corner. Kay Inday, Lola Carey on the outside. Kay Inday, Lola Carey by the rest, Carmelo, Power of Destiny in between runners. Lola Carey, Power of Destiny, My Wife Knows All moving up. It's now My Wife Knows All, and finally, My Wife Knows All. Lola Carey, Power of Destiny, Carmelo, Kay Inday, and it's She Perfect.